Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of xy where x square minus y is equal to 10, y square minus x is equal to 10 and x is not equal to y. Let's call it as equation number 1 and it as equation number 2. If we subtract equation 2 from equation 1, we can write x square minus y from equation 1 minus y square minus x from equation 2 is equal to 10 minus 10, or x square minus y square minus times minus is plus x is equal to 10 minus 10 is 0, or rearranging we can write x square minus y square plus this x minus y is equal to 0, or applying formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b, we can write it as x plus y times x minus y, and taking common 1 from last two terms we can write plus 1 times x minus y is equal to 0, or taking common x minus y, we will have x minus y times x plus y plus this 1 is equal to 0, or as x is not equal to y, so x minus y is not equal to 0. So dividing both sides by x minus y, we can write x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, as x minus y is not equal to 0. So the value of x plus y is equal to, taking this 1 to right side, we will get negative 1. Now adding equation 1 and equation 2, we can write from equation 1 x square minus y plus y square minus x is equal to 10 plus 10, or rearranging it we can write x square plus y square minus x minus y is equal to 10 plus 10 is 20, or applying formula a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab, we can write x plus y whole square minus 2 times xy, and taking common negative 1 from these two terms we can write negative 1 times x plus y is equal to 20, or now substituting the value of x plus y is equal to negative 1, here we can write negative 1 whole square minus twice xy minus the value of x plus y is negative 1, so we'll get 1 times negative 1 is equal to 20, or negative 1 whole square is 1 minus twice xy minus 1 times negative 1 is positive 1 is equal to 20. or this 1 plus 1 is 2, so we can write 2 minus twice xy is equal to 20, or taking this 2 to right side, we will have negative twice xy is equal to 20 minus 2, or negative twice xy is equal to 20 minus 2 is 18. Now divided both side by negative 2, we will have xy is equal to negative of 18 divided by 2. So the value of xy is equal to negative of 18 divided by 2 is 9. So this is the value of xy. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.